everyone, it's Yoslyn and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a shopping haul. So obviously I didn't buy all of these things on the same day. I've kind of just been collecting the things I've been buying and saving them for this video. So if you want to see what I've been buying, then just keep on watching. To start off this haul, I'm going to be starting with shoes, and I actually really needed a new pair of shoes because the only ones that I've been wearing are my white pair of Vans, and I'll actually show you guys them. I've had these for a while, and as you guys can see, they are very dirty. I have cleaned them, but they have a hole in them now, so I can't really make that go away, so that's kind of why I got new shoes. As many of you guys may know, Air Force Ones are very popular at the moment, and I've been trying to get them for a really long time, but every time I go to a store they have them and they're not my size, or they just don't have them at all. So I got these, which look very similar, and they are the women's Nike Court Vision Low, and these were $65, and like I said, they're not Air Force Ones, but they look very similar to them. They just look like this, and they were cheaper too, so that was like a bonus. I didn't really care if they were Air Force Ones or not, I just liked the design of them, so I'm really happy about these. So those are the first pair of shoes that I've gotten, and I haven't worn them yet, that's why they're still in this box. And the second pair of shoes I got were these Converse. The box is empty because I already wore these twice so far. I wore them to the dentist and today when I got craft supplies. So they just look like this. They are the high top ones. I have the low top ones, but I got those like 4 years ago. So I decided to get the high top, and I really like them. So far they're not dirty, and hopefully I'll keep them that way. As you guys can see, I really like white shoes. Next up, I'm going to be doing clothing. So these ones I'm actually going to be returning, sadly, because they were kind of see-through, which makes sense because they are like white leggings. But yeah, I got these white leggings and they're like really nice. They have pockets on the side and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna be returning these ones, but I really liked them, and if they weren't see-through, I would have kept them. Sadly, it didn't work out, so I'm going to be returning those. On the bright side, I got another pair of leggings, and these ones I don't think are gonna be see-through since they're not white, but they're just this really pretty green color. These aren't gonna be see-through, at least I don't think, since they're not white. I just really like the color of them, so I decided to get those. I'm actually going to be returning the green and the white leggings because I tried the green leggings on and I didn't like how they looked, so I'm going to be returning those too. Next, I got these shorts, and they just look like this. They're just plain black shorts, and they just look like this. And I really like them. I have 2 pairs of Nike shorts, and I just wanted another pair. These aren't Nike, but it's like the same thing. The last pair of bottoms I got were these ones, which originally are $98, but I didn't get them for $98. I would not pay that much for a pair of jeans. That's like way too much money. So these I got for $20, and they're really cute. They're from Free People. They're just plain black jeans. They're high-waisted, and they kind of have like the mom jeans fit. So I've already worn these. That's why they don't have the tag, but yeah, I really liked them, and they were a bit too small, but the more I wore them, they kind of loosened up. Next, I have tops, and if you've seen my video yesterday, I did a Brandy Melville haul, which is where I got this shirt at, and I didn't have a white tank top, so today I got a white tank top, and it just looks like this. It's just a plain white tank top. It's nothing special. Yeah, I finally have a white tank top now. And it just has this really cute butterfly, and then it has like this little design. I just really like this shirt, and the design, it's so simple, but like it adds to the shirt, so that's why I really liked it. So I got this shirt, and I saw it on Pinterest like a year ago. It was a little different, but it's basically the same thing. It has these little stars on it, and the shirt is like a mesh material, but it has stars embroidered. And what's nice is that this shirt comes with the tank top, because they had some that didn't have the tank top and you had to get your own tank top. But this one has a tank top in it, so you don't have to get your own, and it's really nice, and I just thought it was super cute. I'm saying cute a lot, so I'm sorry about that, but yeah, I just really liked this shirt, and I don't have anything like this. It just looks like this. Each time I like lift something up, the camera turns fuzzy, so I'm sorry about that. It's a plain black shirt, and the reason why I liked it was because of this cutout. I obviously have like shirts that are just plain black, but this one has this cute cutout, so that's why I decided to get it, and you can kind of see it when I hold it up like that. I also got a face mask. I'm gonna put it on. It just looks like this. You probably can't hear me now, so I'm gonna take it off, but it has this different material on the inside, so you know which one you put on the inside, and you're not putting the face mask that was on the outside on your mouth, because that'd be very bad. But yeah, this is brand new, so I haven't worn it yet. I'm gonna put this in the clothes category, but it's like clothes, but yeah, it's like clothes, so I'm gonna put it in the clothes category. I got these shirts, and I love shirts like these. I wear them all the time. They're basically just t-shirts. So I got a black one, a white one. Like I said, I love wearing these, so that's why I decided to get 3. And I also got a gray one. So I got these iron-ons to put them on my shirts. So I have this little butterfly. I've gotten this one before. This little sun one as well, and I just thought it was so cute and different from like all the other ones because it has like a lot of detail to it. So I got those 2 to put on the shirts, or maybe I'll put them on something else. I don't really know. And I can't really show you guys this next thing because they're gonna be in future videos, but I will kind of give you like a sneak peek of the stuff I bought for this. I got a lot of beads. I'm not going to show you guys them for too long because then you guys are going to like see which ones I'm using. But yes, I got a lot of beads because I'm planning to do many DIY videos coming up. I did do like 2 shopping hauls in a row because my last one was the Brandy Melville haul. But that's because I have a lot of DIY videos coming. So yeah, I bought these for that. I also bought these. I don't know if I'm going to do a video about this, but I also bought this. It just has like each letter of the alphabet. And yeah, I bought this so I could put it on a necklace or something. And I bought another face mask. I don't know if this one's going to fit me though. It looks a little bit big. It's a little bit big, but it'll probably fit me. So yeah, I just got this plaid one. So I'm going to be showing you guys 2 pillows I bought. I got this one and it has grass on it because for some reason it got grass on it in the store. I don't really know. It's fake grass though. It's not real. But yeah, it just looks like this, and I love this pillow. I don't really know if it matches with my room though. I think it does. So I saw this pillow like maybe a month ago and I really liked it, and I finally got it because it went on sale. But yeah, it looks really cute, and like I said, it has like fake grass on it that comes off. This is the pillow that was in the video, and most of the grass actually came off on its own. Like I said, it was fake grass, so it wasn't like real or anything. But if you guys can see, some of it still is on the pillow. Yeah, it's probably just gonna come off over time, but it's fake grass. I don't know why it has fake grass on it. It was like near the outdoor stuff, so I think that's probably why. But yeah, it's slowly coming off of the pillow on its own. It's just really different, and it has like little embroidery things and like these little pom-poms, and the back's just plain. And I'll show you guys the other pillow I got. Oh my gosh, you scared me. Can you guys see her? Oh my gosh, you can't. Yeah, I got this pillow for my little couch over there that my dog's on, and it just looks like this. It's really pretty, and it has embroidery with little beads embroidered onto it, and the back is a really pretty like golden color. So yeah, I got this pillow as well, but I got this one like 2 weeks ago probably. I don't even know. And yeah, I just decided to add it in this haul. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I love pillows. They're like my favorite bedroom accessory. Got this bucket hat. I love bucket hats, and I've tried making them, and I literally can't make them. So yeah, I finally bought one, and it just looks like this. And it matches my room, which is a great thing because I can have it in my room, and it won't make my room look messy since it matches. I really like it, and it's just a really simple design. The last 3 things that I got was this hair oil because I swim a lot and my hair is starting to get really dry, and the fact that it's bleached is making it even more dry, so I'm gonna try this hair oil out. And I also bought an eyelash curler because I have one, but it's like starting to not work anymore, so I decided to get another one, and this one's just by Revlon, so I've had this one before and it works pretty good. And the last thing I got, I actually spent a lot of money on, but I decided to get it for myself as like a little present. And I also got it because my headphones are broken, so I can't really use one side. So I got this a while ago too though. About a week and a half ago I bought this, but I'm adding it into the haul because like I said, I didn't get all these things on one day. I got AirPods. Yeah, they're right here. I still need to get a case for them, but I really like them so far. I've never had like Bluetooth headphones. I always have the ones on the string, but like I said, one of them stopped working. And I also bought them because I've been editing a lot of videos, and I use my headphones when I edit because sometimes like my mom is in my room watching videos, so I use headphones a lot of the time, and having one broken one and one that's working, it's not that good. So I decided to just buy this since I do use them when I edit my videos and stuff. But that is everything I bought, and if you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!